Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to create map charts in Power BI. So let's start. If you want to create a map chart in Power BI, first go to the Insert tab and add a text box. In the text box, write something like to show sales in all states. Now in the data section, you can see that we have a states column and we want to display the sales for each state. For this, first insert a table chart which is next right to the slicer. Resize the table chart and from the ordered table, you will see all the states listed along with their values. Next, we will insert a map chart. To create a map, you need a location column. This can be state, city or country. Drag the state column into a location bucket. As soon as you do this, Power BI will generate a map automatically, showing all the states on the United Maps. Here, you will be able to see how much sales happened in each state. The bubble size represents sales. The bigger the bubble, the higher the sale in that state, and the smaller the bubble, the lower the sale. For a map chart, two things are essential. First, a location column like state, city or country. Second, a numerical column like sales to determine bubble size. You can also go to the format pane to customize the map styles, color and design. But if you are creating a map chart for the first time, it might not work directly. You need to enable 1 second to do this. Go to the file and then options and setting, then click on the option and security. Then scroll down and you will find the option use map and filled map visuals. After that, enable it by checking the box. That's it. Now your map chart will work properly and you will see sales for each state visually on the map.